Public Works is the department responsible for roads and a number of other services. It's not enough for the County of Newell to say what they do, so we went to the residents and business people of the county to get first-hand opinions about how they define Public Works and what the County of Newell does for them.
Road services, graveling, calcium roads, maintaining them, snow removal, that sort of stuff. 8 to 10 hours a day, we Monday through Saturdays. There's put a lot of hours. If we're graveling, we can put in quite a few miles, especially in the wintertime. If we're snow plowing, there's lots of miles we put on. You're building roads, you're accessing all different types of job sites and stuff like that. It's proud to be, working for the community.
So Cenovus is one of the largest operating companies within the area, within the County of Newell. On average, we have about 50 major facilities here, large operating gas plants or oil batteries. About another 1,000 smaller facilities out in the field, booster compressors, single well oil batteries, and then on average about another 2,500 deep gas wells, oil wells, and shallow gas wells within the County of Newell. 5 years ago, we had one of our major facilities down south of number 1 near Rainier, and I had to contact Terry Schroeder actually, and the road going into the facility had quite a bit of large traffic on it, heavy traffic. We were hauling about 80 loads a day into that facility, and I had to call Terry, let them know that we had an issue with the road. They were fantastic as far as response time. We worked together as far as cost sharing on the road, getting it fixed, and got production back up and running. So it was fantastic. It's been a really good experience working with all of the people. I live in the community, so Community Begins Here is a great slogan for us. Like I said, we've got about 150 employees that work within the County of Newell area. Most of them live in this area as well. So that's a great slogan for us. Community begins here because we live here. Everything that we do revolves around the work that happens within the county and the work that the county does for us, and make sure that we have the lifestyle that we have. It's fantastic.
To me, it means the road infrastructure, the services that are provided, such as in the County of Newell, the potable water line that's just being installed, those types of things. For the EID, they obviously maintain the roadway infrastructure, which is fairly important to the EID. We have our own canal and pipeline infrastructure that's fairly extensive, and the County of Newell's maintenance of their road network system allows us to efficiently and effectively access our control structures along all of our canals and our pipelines. We do own a lot of private land that is set up as grazing leases for our irrigators. And as such, we have a lot of oil and gas activity on that area. The County of Newell does work closely with the EID to work on dust control in those areas where it's needed, so that we can maintain the grass for our irrigators that have cattle out on those leases.
Right now they give us support through the county to maintain our trucks, and right now just throughout the whole our drainage is a big issue right now that they're working on, which is really good. Essential services, whether it be the fire trucks or whether it be grain trucks hauling grain to market, or cattle or anything like that, it's very important that our roads are safe. We had to just for assistance on one cattle liner rollover we had. They were really good, prompt and very good. They had the road blocked off, and we had our centennial here last year in Gem, and they were out and assisted us with a lot of getting the grounds ready and maintenance. It was really good, very supportive.
County of Newell doesn't ban their gravel roads, which is very important to me for moving my commodities to and from. School bus routes open, roads in good shape, drainage is in good shape. And the water project that's going in is very important. That builds communities, brings people to this community. So I think it wouldn't hurt for people to realize how much work goes into making a road the way it is and making a good road the way it is. It seems like everybody has in their mind how they think a road should be maintained. Some education on how that's done, and I think would go a long ways.
And so community begins here, means that we're a family and we're working together to stay safe. Go Public Works! Yay, Mark!